Hey guys, welcome. Shibaki. So we're going to be dissecting some portions of CoinMarketCap. Currently, we'll be looking at the methodology of CoinMarketCap. It says here that CoinMarketCap strives to provide accurate, timely, and unbiased data for crypto assets. So our view is that we should always over provide data as opposed to censoring and policing information, and let our users draw their own conclusions. So we actively listen to feedback, requests from our users to enrich the quality of the data on our website. In this connection, please review the following before submitting a request. So for the basis of this tutorial, we're going to start with these listings criteria. Let's look at the listings criteria on CoinMarketCap so that you understand how those are listed on these portals. So it says here that it's come to our attention that projects have been receiving phishing emails from multiple email addresses such as team@coinmarketcap.com. These are not emails created by CoinMarketCap. So this is a big fat disclaimer, but an entity with the intent of scamming companies and individuals. We don't ask for payments on listings. Period. Companies may want to verify the authenticity of a message here. So that's your Telegram group chat. Please note that the online submission form is the only way to request for listing/update to CoinMarketCap. So that's the disclaimer for so that you don't get scammed. So data admissibility guidelines. Determining which request to prioritize process is a balancing act, as information may vary across different sources. So consequently, we rely on three principles to guide our decision-making process. So there are three major principles to guide the decision-making process on listing coins. We have credibility, verification, and methodology. So for credibility, usually a process for the requester to be able to substantiate his or her case with supporting evidence. So you need to have proof that the project you want to be listed as is credible. Then verification, that it's open to verification, that the information that you are bringing out is so we are able to verify the information from credible and independent verifiable sources. So there are bodies out there that do gives credibility to list projects. So once those bodies have been able to verify you, CoinMarketCap can then make verifications from those bodies, from those sources. By methodology is the request in accordance with our methodology. Okay, so the most common types of requests that CoinMarketCap receives are as follows: updating of project details URL. So if you want to update your project details or URL, it says please ensure the requested updates match what is found on the project's website, social media accounts. So if the request entails changing the project's website, please explain why the team is unable to get the original URL to redirect to the new website. Because normally the previous URL is supposed to lead directly to the next to the new portal. So the verification process will be delayed if we observe any incongruities. Okay, so it said the name changing or rebranding. So ensure that the majority of CMC supported exchanges have already processed the name change before reaching out. Then it said ensure that the asset and exchange attract listings on CoinMarketCap. So add markets for an option to add market pairs for CoinMarketCap supported exchanges. So you need to provide direct URLs, include the full name of the asset to minimize confusion. So we will not add markets that have trivial volume activity. So ensure that there is non-trivial trading activity of volume. For project listing, you need to review sections A and E below. So supply updates, these are for supply update, complaints and misconduct. Provide a detailed and specific account of the incident, furnish proof, self-selected screenshots. Request to delist scam crypto asset projects. So for you to delist a scam crypto asset, said self-selected screenshots and or social media forum posts are hard to verify because they can be doctored or orchestrated via cyber attacks. So the challenges of drawing the right conclusions are explained in this blog. So you can check out their blog to see how far. So request to exclude scam exchanges that are distorting prices. So our approach is to remain neutral and avoid censorship by providing as much information as possible to our users so that they can form their own conclusions. As such, we generally rely on factual alerts rather than censorship. When we are able to verify the complaint from credible sources, regulator statements or watch lists about fraudulent activity or email group from the accused. So that's how they go about situations of excluding scam exchanges that are distorting prices. So here you have listings criteria review. This is section A and E that is being talked about. So the online application form. This is the online application form. We've dropped it in our previous video where we titled it promotion request form. You can be able to do partnerships and list your airdrops and other products on CoinMarketCap. It's the only way to submit your project on CoinMarketCap. Okay, said the request to provide complete and well structured information with evidence will be prioritized for review. So take time to consolidate your points in a separate document before completing the form. Avoid hyperbole, vague statements. So quantify and qualify your progress with concrete. So be truthful, false or misleading claims. So guys, these are the updates on listings. You have crypto assets here. For I will also be dropping the links to these updates so you can get access to this page and read more on it. It talks about how to the listings criteria. Say projects that do not meet the guidelines may still be featured on the site as untracked listings, as outlined in item 3. So this is why you see some projects on CoinMarketCap that says market data is currently untracked. So long they meet certain criteria, they can be listed on, and then it will be titled under the untracked listings page. So we have evaluation framework here. We have beyond the guidelines. We perform our evaluation holistically. Trading volume pairs, community interest, engagement, traction progress, team, product fit, impact, and practically uniqueness, innovation. So creating a project with unique, interesting characteristics, technology expands the use cases for crypto and helps the crypto ecosystem grow as a whole. Okay, online submission. These are some. Do not reach out through other channels so that's email because you will always be directed to this form. Okay, so you should know that CoinMarketCap listings are always free, so they don't really charge for. So CoinMarketCap does not accept payment of any form to bypass listing requirements. Then the listing policy. This is the listing policy, guys. So low liquidity or suspicious trading activity. The project listed on CMC was result of misleading, incomplete, or false information. So this is some of the reasons why your project might be delisted if you do not meet. If you meet this delisting policy, then your project will surely be delisted. So factors that could contribute to such a course and action may include the following. So you guys, I hope this article is helpful to you. We hope to give you a clue, an overview of what to expect when it comes to listings of crypto assets. I will drop in the links in the description box below so you can get access to this full article here. Meanwhile, we'll be feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want updates like this. If you want updates like this, it helps you understand what the concept of the cryptocurrency world is all about. So guys, you can drop your comments in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and see you in our future uploads, guys. Peace out, guys. One love.